points. Hey guys, JR Fisher here, and I'm just finishing up a big shoot. See all the camera equipment, all the fun stuff, the lights, all that good stuff. Where's Jessica? She's down there. Where's Jessica? Let's sneak over here and see her. Let's say hi to Jessica. Say hi, Jessica. Hi. I got one of these selfie stick things. Aren't they cool? I think they're really cool. Hey, you want to sell anything to anybody? I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Anything to anybody. You can sell anything to anybody. How are you gonna do it? Here's how you're gonna do it. You're gonna sell to them, their problems, their pain points. Now, Jessica just finished an awesome affiliate video. And you can use this in your sales copy. You can use this on your sales pages. You can use this in your ads. But here's the key to selling anything to anybody, guys. It's really super, super easy. You have to sell to what their problems are. Now, Jessica just did an affiliate video for her course on dog training. It's an awesome course. I mean, it's a fantastic course, and you can train any dog in like no time, no matter if they're aggressive or they're nervous or whatever it is. But that's not what she was selling in the video. What was she selling? Well, she was trying to get affiliates to promote her course. So what is she selling? She's selling the pain points of being an affiliate. So that video that she did is going to be entirely different than a video where she was telling people about her course to get them to buy the course, because she knows that affiliates have problems, right? They have this list and they're going to mail out offers to their list, and they want their list to be happy. They want their list to get good information, duh. And they want their list to be able to buy good products. So Jessica talked about the fact that she's going to put out a good product. She's going to support the person afterwards so they don't have any refunds or anything like that. And she's going to make sure that people that get the course actually get good results. And she talked about her credentials a little bit. So, we sell survival food, I sell courses, and whoever I'm selling to, I try to remember, who am I talking to? Who am I talking to? If I'm talking to somebody about, building a business online, I know the problems. I know the problems with, running ads and not getting good results, or running ads and losing money, or running ads and it works really good, and then all of a sudden you increase your ad and it goes down the tubes again. So those are going to be the pain points I'm going to talk about, and showing somebody how to make money online. Now, if I'm selling to my survival food audience, we own a huge survival food company, been around for about 10 years now. And it's sold all over the internet. It's sold thousands of websites. You can look it up. It's Survivalcave Food. That's survival and then CAVE food.com. But if you were to Google that right now, you're going to see millions of results. And in that particular company, what are we selling to? We're selling to people who want to prepare, okay? So the pain points I'm going to talk about is, when a disaster hits your town, it's a hurricane, tornado, or whatever, and no, we don't sell to the zombie apocalypse. That's not what we sell to. We don't sell to the end of the world, because if the world was ending, you don't need food. But when we're selling to these people, we know what their pain points are. And their pain points are the fact that they want to keep their family fed, and they want to eat decent food. So many people think that survival food has to be bad food. It has to taste bad. No, it can taste good. And it can be something that you want to eat, not something you have to eat. So we produce a really good, flavored food. It has, all the nutrients. It's healthy. It's not, high in salt or any of that. And that's the pain points I'm going to talk to if I'm selling survival food. So my point of my little video here today, and we're kind of breaking down the room now. I'll show you around here a little bit. Still got some of the lights on, still some of the stuff set up here. I've been shooting videos all day. We got a whole 3 videos out of an entire day shoot. It takes a long time to do this stuff, set it all up. But the point I'm making, guys, is think about your audience, and before you write your copy, before you write your ad, before you do your sales page, before you record your video, just stop for a second. And if you look down here on the floor, see all that? That's where I wrote all the pain points, okay? I wrote down the things that I know disturb a person when I'm getting ready to do a video, when I'm getting ready to do sales copy, when I'm getting ready to do an ad. If you do that and you put yourself in their shoes and you can describe their problem better than they can, you're going to sell them. You can sell anything to anybody. That's the thing. And they're going to see the value because it's going to fix their problem. It's going to, the thing that's going on with them, the pain they're experiencing. If you can fix that, and you can take care of them, then you're gonna sell a lot. You're gonna sell a lot of stuff. So anyway, I just want to share this video with you because I know a lot of you have a hard time trying to figure out what to say or how to say it and how to sell your stuff. And you don't want to sell your stuff. All you want to do is talk about their pain points and how your product, service, digital product, physical product, whatever, or service that you provide is going to help them with that. And if you can help them, and you give them a good deal, you got to give them a decent deal, right? Everybody wants a good deal. Then you're going to sell a lot of your product. So that's it. That's the simplest way to sell anything to anybody. And also, I want to remind you, don't forget, I always do this, right? At the end of my video here, go grab my book. It's at jrfisherbook.com. If you don't have a product to sell, if you want to do some research on products to sell, man, that is a great book for that. And if you don't feel like reading it, heck, it's got an audio on there. You can just listen to the book. And do me a favor, make sure you comment on this video. If you like it, comment. If you don't, that's okay, comment on that too. Tell me what you want if you don't like it though. And I really appreciate you listening. Make sure you share this on your timeline, share it with your friends, your family, everybody else. And I will talk to you very soon. Thanks for listening, guys.